Okay, so we're in Windows here, and the issue that we have, you go to Fire Explorer, you got your Linux drive here. Everything seems to show up here, but let's go to our home directory. Nothing is in it. That's because our subvolumes are not mounted. So I made a guide here to help me each time. So I had to reinstall my OpenSUSE. So I have everything working. I'm just going to go through it real quick. So we have to install Winbtrfs systems. So you can go to this link here. I'll put it in the video description. So I already have it up here. Where are we here? We're right here. So you need to install it. The easiest way is probably with Choco. So Chocolatey. So if you don't have that installed, just go ahead and click on this link here. And this will take you to the Winbtrfs system here. Just go to Chocolatey, install Chocolatey, and then it'll take you to the installation steps right here. Pretty straightforward. You do it with the PowerShell. Just follow the instructions. So use the PowerShell. Run all this stuff. Just follow it. Copy and paste this in there, and you should be good to go. So once you get that up and going, you just run the installation command here for Winbtrfs system. So Choco install Winbtrfs system, and then that'll install for you. It's straightforward. Since I already have it installed, I will not go through that. But the next step here is to edit window registries. First, you need to do this since Microsoft introduced more onerous requirements for signing. So let's go ahead and open up regedit. Yes. And then we shall go to HKey local machine, and then the current control set, system current control set, services, better file system, right here. Oh, I skipped a step, sorry. So system, current control set, and then control. So here, CI, policy, and then we want upgraded system. You create this. All you have to do is right click, new, and the D word value. Okay? And then you go like that, and then you'll just type in upgraded system and set it to 1. So you would go, just put the value data in 1, just as so. Okay, and then the next step, you would go to, not control, you go to HKey local machine, system, current control set, services, and then better file system, which is right here. And then you'll see I have 2 here. This was my my old install. You'll see that mounted is 0, so that means it's false, so not mounted. And then I added a keyword value here with the subvolume ID with the value data of 5. So that is the topmost subvolume ID, so your root. Just how like better file system is it's not the topmost, but it's above these here. So if these were your subvolume ID, this would be your root. So let's go ahead and click on the drive that I want here. Right click, new, keyword, and then subvolume ID. Now this is capital sensitive. So just as right here. And then the value data of 5. Okay. And then we shall reboot and test it. So let's close this out here and we'll reboot, get back to it. Okay, we are now rebooted. Let's load up Windows File Explorer here and go to Linux, and you'll see now we have a root here and everything is as it should be.